What is up, everybody? Brian with the old SoCo Customs, and I know that we're stuck at home, but I think we all should be feeling festive. Hit this video with a thumbs up because we get another day of looking at trucks. Also, let's not forget that subscribe button. Make sure to hit that for us. So as you can see, what is sitting behind me is a 2015 Chevy Silverado 1500. I miss this body style. I wish they would have done it for a couple more years than they did. It kind of looks like a modern take on the old classic 90s model that we all remember. So this one came in with a leveling kit on it already. We were only given a picture to go off of to match this up. So let's take a walk around of this truck. But first of all, we did an exhaust on this truck. We did the Flowmaster. Let's give that one a listen. All right, guys, without further ado, let's take a walk around of this truck. All right, guys, as I said, 2015 Chevy Silverado. And yeah, I was up on the leveling kit, but we did a whole lot more to it. All right, first of all, we've got this graphics package. We've got professional PDR that ended up putting that on for us. They matched it up to the picture that we saw. I think they did a pretty good job of it. Nice red on blue. This truck looks awesome. So we did the 20x9. These are the Mayhem Tripwire. So anywhere that you've got that machining, we've got the red tint coat. I like these because they do have a pretty big lip for a 10 wide. And then we went with the Nitto ATs. These are the Terra Grapplers. And we went with a 275/60 R20 on those. Definitely a great all-terrain tire. You still have your choice of the really cool sidewalls that you get with those. Paint to match with these fender flares, and then we also went with the red rivets on there. Professional PDR hooked us up with, they're now doing powder coating. So little known facts, we can really match this truck up to any look that you're going for. All right, guys, Brian with SoCo Customs. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends. Show them what all we can do. Got this truck looking a little more aggressive, added the exhaust. We're pretty excited about this one. Thanks, guys.